Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my another Bitcoin video. Today I want to discuss about the Bitcoin price and what's the market going on, what's the next prediction is. Long time later I'm back in the Bitcoin adoption chart. So let's start and I hope you will enjoy the video. So start. Welcome back to my computer screen. Let's start the discussion. First I go to my one-day chart. In my one-day chart you can see market is going to down. If I go to 1 hour chart, in 1 hour chart you can see the market is also going to down. If I go to 2 hour chart, in 2 hour chart you can see the market is going to down. If I go to 3 hour chart, in 3 hour chart you can see market is going to down. If I go to 4 hour chart, in 4 hour chart you can also see the market is going to down. If I go to 1 minute chart, in 1 minute chart you can see the market is going to down. If I go to 15 minute chart, in 15 minute chart you can see the market is going to up. So little bit up and little bit down. If I go to 30 minute chart, you can see market is going to down. Also in 45 minute chart you can see the market is going to down. So now I have to decide for the market going on. So for this I go to 2 hour chart. In 2 hour chart I notice that there is 2 pips. First one is going to up, then is going to down. So I think it will good discuss about the prediction. If you follow these others prediction or others chart, you can understand they are a little bit similar of this. So I only discuss these pips, these 2 pips. So I take a scale over there and take another scale. A little bit zoom this. You can see the market going to up, after that this market is going to down. So my prediction is market will be go to down and he go this way. So it's clear, I think market will be going to this way. I think everybody understand this way, and he break his position here. So little bit down. So I think everybody understand what I described. Now I discuss the Bitcoin price. Today's Bitcoin price is 1 BTC is equal to 22,899.40 USD. Today's Bitcoin price is 1 BTC is equal to 22,899.40 USD. I hope everybody liked the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe, and also share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.